Hello my people, hope you're doing well and keeping safe. My name is Kcse and welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for being here, and finally we have our Kcse 2022 result analysis. I'm sure most of you have been waiting for this. It's taken me a while, but finally we are back to school and this was done very fast by our dean. So let's go straight to it. So last year we had 8 streams. That is from the ones that are written there on the stream part from 4H all the way to 4R, and it shows you the position of those classes. So at position 1 it was 4H, and you can see the grades of the students that were there. So there's that section that is written entry. So entry simply tells you the number of students that were in that class. So in 4H we had 7A, 11A minus, 14B plus, 9B, 2B minus, 4C plus, and 1C. So you can see in that class we will take every student to the university except for that one that got a C, but of course they're going to get a very good college. So you can go through all those classes and see the means that those students posted for us. Then you can see the last class was position 8, that is 4R, with 2 A's, 9A minus, 10B plus, 5B, 8B minus, 6C plus, 1C, 2C minus. So you can see in that class again only 3 students will not make it to the university, and the entry was 43. Then next you can see the mean grade of that class in total. So at position 1 for H, they had a mean of 9.9167, and then the last class 4R had a mean of 9.0698. So you can see there's not that much difference. So something that you realize in this school is that the classes almost post the same mean. There's only a slight deviation between them. Then the other column simply shows you the class teachers in that class. Then down there, let's go to down that table. It shows you the total number of students and the mean grades that they got. So in Kcse 2022, we had 19 A's, 100 A minus, 112 B plus, 79 B, 40 B minus, 24 C plus, 12 C, and 5 C minus. So among the 381 students, only 17 did not make to get C plus and above. So that means we have a 96% transition to the university, and that was well done. So in the next table we have the means that the classes got in the previous years from 2019 all the way to 2022, and you can see there's always been improvement. In 2019 we had a mean of 8.990, in 2020 a mean of 9.11, 2021 9.769, and then 2022 there was a slight drop of 0.194. we had a mean of 9.5754. so we can see that our boys did so well. All right, so you can pause and simply look at that page. So let me move on to the next page. All right, here we have the subjects and the grades that these students posted for us. In history, you can see down there that we had a total of 22A, 100 A minus, 53 B plus, 9 B's, and 4 B minus. So that was their last grade, and they did so well with a mean of 10.6755. So only 189 students sat for history. Then when you go to geography, we had a total of 149 A's, 14 A minus, 7 B plus, 6 B, 1 B minus, and 1 C plus, and that was their last grade with a mean of 11.691. That is an A. That was well done. When it comes to CRE, we only had 25 students sitting for that exam. We had 5 A's, 2 A minus, 7 B plus, 8 B's, 1 B, there was no C plus, then there was 1 C, 1 C minus, and that was their last grade. In computer studies, 38 students sat for the exam and all of them had an A. So we had a mean grade of 12. By the way, we've always had a mean grade of 12 in computer studies. Since back then, it's always been that way. When it comes to art and design, 29 students sat for the exam. We had 1A, 7A minus, 18B plus, 3B, There was no B minus, no C plus, like the last grade was at B with a mean of 10.2069. When it comes to music, we had 10 students sitting for the exam, 2 A's, 1 A minus, 4 B plus, 1 B. There was no B minus, and the last students had a C plus, 2 of them. In agriculture, we had 97 students sitting for the exam. 87 of them got an A, 6 A minus, 2 B plus, 1 B, and then there was 1 E right there. All right, overall there was a mean grade of 11.7526. So they did so well. When it comes to business studies, we had 218 students sitting for this exam, with 13 A's, 22 A minus, that's 7 B plus, 29 B, that's 7 B minus, 27 C plus, 16 C, 18 C minus, 2 D plus, 17 D, and that was the last grade. So among all those students, I can see the grades were distributed like all over, and that's why the mean lowered to 8.0688. And now we look at the compulsory subjects. Here, first of all, we have English. So all the students sat for these exams. You can see we had a total of 382 students that sat for that. In English, we only had 2 A's, 23 A minus, 88 B plus, 131 B's, 104 B minus, 29 C plus, 10 C's, 4 C minus, and then there was 1 D minus right there. So overall they had a mean grade of 8.8087. In Kiswahili, we had 58 A's, 135 A minus, 108 B plus, 61 B's, 18 B minus, 8 C plus, 1 C, 2 C minus, and that was the last grade we had there. Overall, there was a mean of 10.2967, which is a B plus. In mathematics, all the students sat for that as well. We had 67 A's, which reduced, I think, from last year. Then 34 A minus, 31 B plus, 57 B, 51 B minus, that's 7 C plus, 29 C, 21 C minus, 14 D plus, 34 D, 16 D minus, and thankfully there was no E, with a mean grade of 8.023. So in mathematics, we really dropped, but of course we as teachers are looking into that, and we are hoping for an improvement this year. All right, next we have biology, and I'm so happy because we have really improved in biology with a mean of 9.5615. I mean, in the previous years, we would have a mean of like 6, and it was always the last subject, and I'm so happy because this is changing now. So in biology, there are 45 A's, 92 A minus, 86 B plus, 59 B, 48 B minus, 46 C plus. We have 10 C, 4 C minus, and that was the last grade. That was well done. In physics, we had 58 A's, 66 A minus, 61 B plus, 56 B's, 47 B minus, 38 C plus, 20 C's, 17 C minus, 13 D plus, 18 D, D minus 5, right, with a mean of 8.5056. So you can see how the grades in physics were distributed all over, and that is why that mean goes down. In chemistry, 54 A's, 36 A minus, 72 B plus, 69 B, 59 B minus, 39 C plus, 26 C, 14 C minus, 11 D plus, 20 D's. And there was 1 E right there with a mean of 8.6454. People can say that in chemistry as well, there was an improvement, and you're hoping to doing even better than that. And here is a summary of everything that we've discussed about. Of course, you can pause and go through all those main grades. Everything that you're interested with is right here in this page. So thank you so much for watching till the end. I'm sure you're waiting to see our top students. Of course, I'll be doing for you the videos of such. And of course, this same week, I'm going to bring you Kcse 2022 Sekena result analysis, where we compare our Kcse results to the Sekena schools. If you don't know what Sekena schools are, they're simply the giant schools, the national schools in the central Kenya region. So people, watch out for that. And then of course, I'm also going to post videos of the Sekena results of the other classes of the NTAM 3 results that we already did. And of course, later on, I'll be posting for you our best students, and later on, of course, the universities that in the courses that they will be called to do. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time, goodbye and God bless.